Begin by connecting the Corbus red, black, yellow, green wires from the panel terminal to the respective red, black, yellow, green terminals on the zone expanders. Following the connection, enter *8 and the 4-digit installer code 5555. Then enter 902 to enroll the expander module. Here you have the option to auto-enroll or manual enroll. Note, the default screen is auto-enroll 000. For auto-enroll, press star to begin. Confirm that the I/O module is increased in the next window. The expander module is now installed. Press pound to return to the enroll screen. For manual enroll, use the arrow keys to advance to 001 or enter 001 from the keypad to arrive at the enroll modules screen. Press star and then proceed to enter the serial number of the zone expander. Confirm that the enrolled message is displayed on the screen. The expander module is now installed. Press the pound key until you reach section 902, Module Enroll. Note, zone numbers for hardwired zones are based on the module slot assignment under 902.003. If the HSM 3408, HSM 2108 is assigned at slot 01, then zones for the first slot will be 009 to 016. And if the slot number is 02, then zone numbers for them will be from 017 to 024, and so on. Now enter 001 for zone definitions. Use the arrow keys to scroll to zone 9 or enter 009 on the keypad. Here you can scroll through the different zone definitions. Confirm the one you want by pressing star. Press the pound key twice to exit the section. Enter 002 on the keypad or scroll to configure the zone attributes for zones. To configure the first zone from the Zone Expander 1, which is zone 009, type in 009. Press the arrow key twice to number 3 for chime function. Press star to select. Press pound twice to exit. Now enter 004 for end-of-line resistance. Then scroll to find the end-of-line number you want. Press star to select. At this point, you can configure to your specifications. Then press pound 3 times to exit the installer menu.